I have, as you can see, guys, on pair 18, I have an extra chromosome. Okay, I have an extra chromosome on pair 18. This is actually called trisomy. Okay, so trisomy means extra chromosome, and because this extra chromosome is on pair 18, the disease is called trisomy 18, which is also known as Edwards syndrome, the common name. So trisomy 18 or Edwards syndrome is when I have an extra chromosome on pair 18. Okay, and 18 is one of the autosomes. That's why it's an autosomal abnormality. Now, I want you to take a look at this picture and see how people suffering from this disease look like. And mainly 95% of these people, they die in the uterus. Yani they are not even born. Now, I want you to have a look at the formula. Okay, so guys, since the total number now of chromosomes is 47, I have an extra chromosome, so it's 47. It's not 46 anymore. Comma, XX, because like this is a female as we know, and we represent the female in XX, so it's XX, comma, plus 18, because I have an extra one chromosome on pair 18. That's why we represent this by writing plus 18. So the formula is as follows: 47, XX, plus 18. So this is the first famous autosomal abnormality known as trisomy 18. Now moving to the second famous disease, which is this. I want you also to have a look at this karyotype and check where is the abnormality. Normal, 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 normal. Oops, I have something abnormal here. Okay, so I have an extra chromosome on pair 21. And because it's on pair 21, this is called trisomy 21. So trisomy means an extra chromosome. And because it's on pair 21, it is called trisomy 21. Now, the common name for this disease is called Down syndrome. And I am pretty sure, guys, that you are very familiar with this syndrome, or you've seen people looking like this before, but you probably didn't know the cause of this disease. Now, as you can see, people suffering from disease mainly have a slim eyes or narrowed eyes. They also have a round face, and unfortunately, they have a mental retardation. It means that they can't think, or their brains can't function with the way our brain functions. Okay, so now I want you to have a look at the chromosomal formula. As you can see, it's 47 because we have an extra chromosome, so it's not 46 anymore, it's 47, comma XY because this is a male, okay, comma plus 21 because I have an extra chromosome on pair 21. So this is the second known disease, which is called trisomy 21, which is also an autosomal disease, also referred to as Down syndrome. So to sum up, guys, the two main autosomal abnormalities are trisomy 21 and trisomy 18. Now moving to the gonosomal abnormalities. Now, when I say chromosomal abnormality, it means that the abnormality is on pair 23, which contains the sex chromosomes. Okay, so if you guys have a look here, you're going to see that all of the autosomes are normal, 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 and the abnormality is here on the last pair. So on the last pair, I have an extra sex chromosome, which is X. Now, do you think this is a male or a female? Now, because I have X and Y, this is a male. And because this male has an extra X chromosome, this male suffers from some feminine characteristics, yani female characteristics.